Hello, my dear kids. A warm welcome to my channel CBSE Online Primary. So, come, let us learn about adverbs. You must be wondering that you know about verbs, but then what is adverbs? So, I'm here to help you out. Can you read out the word that you can see on the screen? Yes, this is Sita. And Sita is a noun. Now let's add a verb with Sita. Say suppose sings. So now it became Sita sings. Does it make a sense? Yes, it makes. Sita sings. So children, in this sentence, we have a subject, we also have a verb. So this is a complete sentence and it makes a sense. But then what is the use of adverb? Now let me add another word with this sentence. Sita sings loudly. Now you got a clear concept of how Sita sings. So how Sita sings? Sita sings loudly. Now this is specific. Let us take another example. Say suppose she is beautiful. She is beautiful. Okay, here beautiful is adjective. And now if I write, well, she is beautiful is also a complete sentence. But if I try to modify the adjective and if I say she is very beautiful, the word very is giving some more information about the adjective beautiful. Therefore, loudly and very are adverbs. Now please take out your book and open page number 59. This is chapter 10 and you can see adverbs is written here. Adverbs. Verbs. That mean you have to add some more words to modify verbs. And what is verb? Doing words are called verbs. Do you remember? Now children, an adverb tells us more about a verb or an adjective also. Okay? So, an adverb is a word in a sentence that describes a verb or an adjective. An adverb tells us how, when and where something is done. For example, let us take this sentence. Mike runs slowly. Now here, Mike is a noun, naming word. Runs here is your verb. Runs here is your verb. V for verb. So Mike runs slowly. Now you have to ask a question to yourself. How is Mike running or how Mike runs? Mike runs slowly. This question how, as it was said earlier here, an adverb tells us how. Okay, so you have to ask the question to yourself that how Mike runs. Mike runs slowly. Here slowly is your adverb. Why? Because it is modifying the verb runs. It is giving you additional information about the verb runs. Now, adverb of manner. There are different kinds of adverb. Here we are learning about adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place. How an action takes place. An adverb is made by adding ly to the verb or adjective. Again, let me repeat. An adverb is made by adding ly to the verb or adjective. Okay, so we will understand this better with the help of the following exercise. Make adverbs from the given words and complete the sentences. Number 1. The boy is writing. This is a complete sentence. You know, adverb is not mandatory in a sentence. Okay. If I say the boy is writing, yes, this is a complete sentence. But if you want to modify or describe the verb, okay, that time you have to add another word, okay, which is your adverb. The boy is writing. Now ask the question, how is the boy writing? Now the boy is writing neatly. Can you see here, neat is given within bracket? So you have to add ly with this word and your adverb will be ready. N-E-A-T, neat, and then you add ly. It becomes neatly. Put full stop. Correct? The girl is crying. How is the girl crying? The girl is crying loudly. Again, you have to add ly with loud. So this will become now loudly. Just like this. This is how you will complete the full exercise in your book. Now children, this is how you will finish the full exercise. There are altogether 10 sentences. So I have done number 1 and number 2 for you. You will start doing from number 3 till number 10 in the next page.